Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video tutorial, we will see how to fix a keyboard that keeps automatically typing on its own, also known as laptop keyboard auto-pressing key. So, let's dive right in. First, restart your laptop. Sometimes a simple reboot clears temporary glitches that cause random key presses. If the issue continues, open Settings by pressing the Windows key +I. Go to Update and Security and make sure your system is fully updated. Outdated drivers or system bugs can trigger keyboard problems. Next, update or reinstall the keyboard driver. Press the Windows key +X, select Device Manager, expand Keyboards, right-click your keyboard driver, and choose Update Driver. If updating doesn't help, uninstall the driver and restart your PC. Windows will reinstall it automatically. It's also a good idea to check your keyboard for dust or stuck keys. Gently clean the keyboard with compressed air or a soft brush. Physical debris can sometimes cause continuous key presses. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.